welcome back in the kitchen one more time again with Chef Ricardo Cooking program, guys. I know you guys been happy and I'm being happy too. Anyway, today we're gonna make you a nice lovely Jamaican drink. It's a aloe vera drink, a little bit bitter to be honest. For myself, I know it is bitter because back in the Caribbean when I was used to growing up as a young man, my grandma used to give me to drink. Oh my days, man, I used to say to myself, whoa, this thing is bitter. But anyway, the beauty behind the scene with this aloe vera, it is good for you. Keep you healthy, strong, flush your own system, make you renewing, especially if you drink it before you go to bed at night time. When you wake up in the morning, you feel so young and healthy and fit and strong. When you go to work, your manager might say, why are you moving so fast? But it's the aloe vera working inside of you, just cleanse you. Basically, I believe you can get this in the shop to buy. Supermarket, you can get it in a local shop. But if you don't know what is aloe vera, you can always ask your grandmother. She's the right person, or your grandfather. They know good things about these things, guys, because this is history. Basically, I'm gonna just give you a quick drink from it, guys. It's just really nice. So you can search on the internet for aloe vera, and it can tell you some more details about it. Basically, if you like the drink, leave your comments. If you never tried before and you tried before, leave your comments. Let's make others can learn from it, guys. You know, for myself, this is 100% good for you. It's really good for you. You can just cut off the piece and eat it raw as it is, and it's good for you. You can make drink with it, and a lot of people use it to wash their face. And I said back in the Caribbean, as I said, a lot of people use it to wash their face, use it to even to bathe with. So you probably can get the aloe vera soap to buy. Anyway, we're gonna make you the drink today, guys. Hopefully you will love the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking program. We are there for you, you are there for me. Love from Chef Ricardo. Enjoy the recipe today, aloe vera drink. Remember, the cooking book is out. Get your copy, guys. The link below. Click on the link, it takes you straight where you can buy it, and it is cheap. It's cheap, guys. Cheap cooking book for you in your kitchen. So basically, right here, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can do this at home. This is the aloe vera. Very, as you can see, this is green. Just to show you how good it is. Anything with green, always good for you. So, anyway, we're gonna make you some aloe vera drink today. As you can see, I have 3/4 glass of water right here. Roughly, yeah, almost 3/4 glass of water. I'm gonna pour it straight inside of my blender like this. Basically, some people when they cut it, them remove the side pieces. Like this part is like some junky stuff on it, where very because of safety, I just cut off the side of it. You can also remove the skin from it. It's a little bit simple, but I say if you want to use gloves, it's good for you to use gloves. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simple cut off a few little pieces off of it, guys, and put it straight inside of my water like this. Just a few little pieces, as you can see. I'm not gonna cut a lot. So as you can see, I'm gonna just basically I want to say to you, wash it first before you even drink it. It's good to wash it first. So very slimy, very simple, but is really good. For me, normally I'm just gonna put roughly 2 teaspoons of honey inside of it. Most people, they just drink it natural as it. But for me, I'm telling you, to be honest, I would prefer putting a little bit of honey in it because honey is natural. Basically, as you can see, get some of the honey down. We're gonna blend it for over 3 to 4 minutes. Nice one. So now it's finished. I just finished blending it. Put this on the side. Get my glass. Pour it straight inside of it like this. It's a little bit frothy, but that's fine. Don't mind the froth because I'm using this smoothie blender. frothy like a beer, but that's fine. And now we're gonna taste it to see. Ah, man. I'm telling you, it's a little bit bitter, but to be honest, guys, it's one of the best drink you could ever drink in your whole entire life. Aloe vera drink. Ah, man. It's nice. To be honest, it's nice. It might taste a little bit bitter because I put some honey inside of it, so the honey kind of take a little bit of the bitterness. But I want to simply say to you guys, this aloe vera drink is one of the best drinks you can ever think of. What this do to you, it cleans you, your whole entire system, and it is good for you. You can eat it raw, you can use that piece to wash your face. I know a lot of people don't want to do that, but you can probably get aloe vera soap in the shop to buy. But it's a really good drink, guys, and I want to say to you, if you want to put more stuff in it, you can put ginger to it, you can put more stuff to it. But I like it just like this, and I'm gonna drink this glass before I go to my bed tonight. You can do the same thing at home. You can try it if you do like it and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking program. We got a lot more recipes like this coming up for you guys, as you can see. Beautiful aloe vera drink from Chef Ricardo. Enjoy the recipe. Bye bye. Welcome back with the cooking program. We're back in the kitchen again, guys. We always give you your favorite dishes, your favorite drink. It is summer, it's hot, it's crazy out there, guys. I'm telling you. But today we're gonna make you a nice lovely drink, guys. If you know what I'm talking about, today we're gonna make you a nice lovely drink. There's a thing named Stungerine, which a lot of people don't like it, a lot of people do like it, kids do like it. Stungerine is one of the most important thing when I was a young man growing up back in my Caribbean country, sweet Jamaica. When we used to see stungerine, we used to get them, pick them, peel them, and eat them. They used to be beautiful and nice. But today we're gonna peel and eat, and we're gonna make a drink from stungerine today, guys. Hopefully you will like the recipe. Please leave your comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your time, for watching the cooking program, guys. Thank you for all of that wonderful comments you're giving me to inspire me more, guys. You're amazing. And I have a lot of recipe for you. We're gonna give you a recipe day by day. If you don't see the recipe on the YouTube, go on my website and you will see all of these recipes, which is chefricardocooking.com. If you don't see the recipe, it will come very soon, because we have a lot of recipes which we're gonna upload on the website for you guys. So remember, visit my blog and you will see some recipe register, and you will get in touch to see a lot of recipe. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. So let's say right here I have some stungerine, which I'm gonna use inside of my juice today. Stungerine, you have to remove the skin from stungerine like this, guys. As you can see, this is one which I'm removing the skin from. Very easy. This one don't have any seed inside of it, but back in the Caribbean, you don't know, I want to find it with a lot of seed. I'm gonna put this one straight inside of my blender. Right here, that's one stungerine. Sorry, this is gonna be 2 stungerine inside of my blender. We're gonna squeeze a little bit, just a quarter of lime juice inside of it like this to give it a nice lovely flavor and a nice lovely blended taste inside of it. Remember, it's stungerine, you have to remove the skin. Basically, we're gonna put some orange inside of it also, just to get a lot more flavor in it, guys. Stungerine and orange goes really well. So we're gonna put 1 orange inside of it. Hopefully you will love the recipe and leave your comments. Very important for me and the team when we're making these kind of drinks. It is summer, and that's the reason why we are trying to make in so much juice, guys, because definitely see a little piece more of this tangerine. And right here I have another one which I'm already moved, so we're using 4 tangerine inside of it, and 4 tangerine and 1 orange inside of it. I'm gonna put some strawberry syrup inside of it just to give it a nice lovely color. Basically we have half glasses of water. We're gonna pour it straight inside of it. Not all of the water gonna hold inside of it, so 3/4 of the glass of water inside of it. You can see full of my smoothie blender right here. Cover it, blend it. If you have a juice which you want to request, remember you're free to request that juice, guys, and I will definitely make it for you. Blend it for roughly 4 to 5 minutes. And that's the beauty of this. Love that. So that's just finished so far. Quickly, roughly about 2 to 3 minutes. Basically I'm gonna just remove it, and I'm gonna get my strainer as I did it before, and I'm gonna do it just like that again, guys. Tangerine and orange drink. Nice one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave that, make that good strain and drain right out of that blender, out of my strainer for both a roughly ball. So as you can see right here, all of it is going out. Tangerine and orange drink. Hopefully you will like this recipe. If you like the recipe, please leave your comments. Nice one. So this is finished. So if I give it a taste just to see. Man, this is amazing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, I'm telling you, if you ever once try this at home for this summer, I guarantee you will love it. But the beauty with this tangerine and orange, you need to have a lot of ice to put inside of it. That's my glass right here. You know, Chef Ricardo always have a lot of ice. So I'm gonna pour this inside of it now. Oh my days, guys, look at that. That is fantastic, guys. Hopefully you will love this recipe. Hopefully you guys will love this recipe. Very refreshing. With a nice lovely piece of look at this, guys. Beautiful, really nice. Oh man, this is beautiful. I'm telling you, not because I'm the one who making it. I did it before, once before, make tangerine and orange juice, and I said to myself, I need to share this drink. Look at the quality. You can see the quality of the tangerine and the orange, and what happened, the syrup just come in it and blend and give it a nice lovely look. As you can see, guys, just look, the color and the texture of it is just perfect. Looking so wonderful. Hopefully you will like the recipe. Hopefully you will subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you will leave your and what I want to say to you, try this one at home. Just try it at home, guys, and see. This basic recipe is just tangerine and an orange. Peel it, throw some water in the blender, little syrup, and squeeze a piece of a lemon inside of the blender and blend it for a couple of minutes and strain it. And you have a nice drink. This can go with your Sunday dinner, or this can go with something, you know what I mean, your friend might over, you have a nice back leaf in your fridge, you could introduce a friend to it. But tangerine drink with orange, beautiful, really nice. So thank you for watching the cooking program. We got a lot more recipe coming up for you. Request your drink and I will definitely make it for you. Thank you so much, guys.